You just had a car accident. You look up and there it is, a traffic camera mounted right above the intersection. And you think, that camera caught everything. That's my proof. I want you to pause on that thought because here's what most people don't realize. That footage may already be gone. And in Massachusetts, it happens a lot more often than you think. I'm attorney John Sheehan, a Massachusetts workers' compensation and personal injury attorney. Today, I want to talk about something I get asked about a lot: traffic cameras, accident footage, and what's actually out there to help your case. Before we get started, please note, this video is for general information only and is not legal advice for your particular situation. When you picture a traffic camera, what do you imagine it's doing? Most people picture something like a bank security camera, recording 24 hours a day, storing everything, ready to be pulled up later. That is not how MassDOT cameras work. MassDOT, the Massachusetts Department of Transportation, operates traffic cameras across the state, but those cameras aren't designed to capture evidence. They monitor traffic in real time. They stream live. That's it. What that means for you is this: MassDOT does not constantly save the footage. When they do, it's only for a short window before it's overwritten. So that camera you saw at the intersection, it may never have stored your accident. And if it did, the clock is already running. So if not MassDOT cameras, then what? Look around. Where did your accident happen? Was there a 7-Eleven on the corner? A Dunkin' Donuts? A bank with an ATM camera? A restaurant? A parking lot pointed your way? Private business cameras are often where the gold is. Businesses typically save footage for days or weeks, sometimes longer. And a lot of times, those cameras are pointed exactly where you need them. Then there are dashcams. Many commercial trucks and cars have one running. The driver next to you may have caught everything without knowing it. An experienced attorney knows how to track those down before they disappear. Here's a quick mental exercise. If you've been in an accident recently, picture the scene in your head right now. What businesses were on the corner? Were there delivery trucks around? Anyone with a phone out? That picture in your head is your evidence map. The sooner someone starts working that map, the better your chances. I've been fighting on the side of injured workers and car accident victims and their families throughout Massachusetts since 1993, and I'm ready to fight for you. If you have questions and want to find out how I can help, please call my office for a free, no-obligation consultation. And if Spanish is easier for you, hablamos español.